naman yun. Go, Kuya Dixon. Guwapong bata. Yung bata, sabi ko, hindi din ako magwapong na bata ako. Para sa mga Chinese, Philippines na nakakabit dito. Alright, thank you so much everybody. Love your hands. Thank you so much for being Dixon. Alam nyo lahat na gagawin nila matapatan ang pangarap sa kanilang pangarap sa buhay. Tandaan niyan. Kaya ang ginawa, paliwala sa isang ama, matapatan ang pangarap sa kanilang pangarap sa buhay. Sige, dati isang oras yan.
Thank God for giving me this angel in my arms. You're my little angel, so baby don't you cry. It's time to spread your wings and fly. If there's one thing this father knows, Mama's heart is really good.
Alright, once again, everybody come in. Papa, timber song. Music, the boat is sinking. Group yourself into one and three. Thank you. Alright. Ready? All hold your hands together. Go, come on, ready? For the music, get ready. Play the music, DJ. One! Ngayon po anak ko. Parang naubog ko. Alright, sige po, pakinom na po. Sige, pwede mo yan. Ready? Pag-start na music, the mode music in group yourself in two. Tapil po yun lang yung pagsunod na po. Ano pagsunod na po? Pakibigyan na. Ito po yung tigit-tigit po yan, ha? Alright, ready. Pag-start na music, the boat is in group yourself in two. 7. Sige, kasi ibig sabihin magkakaibigan, lalaglagan na. 7. Sino tanggal? Tanggal ka na. 7. 2, 4, 6, 7. Alright, balik. Ready, play. Sino matanggal? Sino matanggal? Alright, thank you so much, baby. Sino mula? Oy, pinsan ko, pinsan! Anong bulong-bulong ko? Wala akong bulong dito. Kalapate. Very good, kalapate. Kalapate. Anong puro-putok? Kalapate. Bluetooth. Alright, ready? Ito na ha. Mag-count na ako. Kailangan mo best. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Aso! Pusa! Ibon! Thank you so much, baby girl. Oh, dito. Dapat kailangan sa mga kanta. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Aso! Pusa! Ibon! Kambing! Alright, thank you so much. Alright! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Pusa! Mau. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Pusa! Aso! Wawawi. Baby, put your hands, baby. Ready? Aso! Pusa! Ibon! Kambing! Palaka! Alright, thank you so much. Alright. Ready? Alright, ready? Once again, palakpakan po natin. We have a winner! Palakpakan natin. Alright. Kuya, pangalan? Auditioning. Dixon. Ilan taon ka na? Nag-aaral ka na? Nag-aaral ka na? Saan nag-aaral natin? Saan yun? Alright, palakpakan, we have a winner. Punta doon kay Kuya MJ. Go, come on kids. And then, syempre, ito na yung pagkakataon nyo sa our food. O almost lahat ng food. Our waiter or waitress is... Alright, vamos na bibigyan sa mga malakpa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Daddy Jefferson and Madison. Alright, Daddy, siyempre, dalawa na kayo yung may birthday ngayon at isasabay nyo na